Today's tutorial, how to export DataGridView to Excel in C#. How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to learn how to export DataGridView to Excel in C# using IronXL. First, install the IronXL NuGet package in your Windows Form project. You can do that from the NuGet package manager. Now let's move to the form designer. On the form, add a DataGridView and a button labeled export. Open form.cs and create a method named bind data to DataGridView. This method creates a data table and fills it with simple data. We add 4 columns: employee ID, name, department, and joining date, and loop through to add 25 rows. Then bind this to the GridView source. In form constructor, call this newly created method and also set your IronXL license key, either directly or using environment variable for security. Next, double-click the export button. This create a method called button export _ click, and this is where we write the grid data into an Excel file. Create a new workbook and worksheet using workbook.create and create worksheet methods. Then loop through each row and cell in the grid. Skip the last blank row with if parentheses dg row dot is new row parentheses continue, and assign each value to a cell using helper method to convert the row and column into proper Excel address. The convert to cell address method converts zero-based indexes into Excel style A1, B1, etc., which IronXL expects. Once the values are written, save the workbook using save as method. Then show a confirmation message using messagebox.show. For instance, data exported successfully. In the convert to cell address method, first it loops on the column index to build letters A through Z, then wraps to AA, AB, and so on. Next, it adds 1 to the row index because Excel rows start at 1, and then combines those two parts. All right, so let's go ahead and run the app now. The grid fills automatically. Click the export button, and then open the generated Excel file. And you'll see the data from your DataGridView exported cleanly into Excel, ready to share or process further. And that's it. Now you know how to export DataGridView to Excel in C# using IronXL. Obviously super useful for reports, logs, and data backups. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us at Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out.